Hello everyone, how are you all? I wish you all are doing very good and will be at your best very soon. Hope you all had made use of PYQ series on light chapter very well. Here we are creating PYQ series on human eye and colorful world chapter. Have a happy learning. So here we got one question that was asked in the previous year questions in human eye and colorful world chapter. That is, what are the phenomena involved in formation of a rainbow? See, to understand this, you should be knowing the diagram of formation of rainbow neatly. How will be a rainbow formed? First, there will be a water droplet, and upon that water droplet, a white light or sunlight will come. And here, what happens? The light rays will get dispersed and get refracted in this way. And here, what happens? The light rays will get internally reflected and they will pass in this direction, and here what happens, they will again refract like this. This is going to be the red color and this is going to be the violet color. This is going to be the red and this is going to be the violet. So here also this is red color and this is violet color. So if we are looking from here, we will be able to see rainbow. So how many phenomena are involved here? Here how many phenomena are involved? Here refraction happened. Including refraction, dispersion also happened. Correct? And here what phenomena happened here? Here internal reflection happened. So totally how many phenomena are involved? And here also. Here what happened? Here only refraction happened. Correct? So now refraction, dispersion, internal reflection. So how many phenomena are involved? Three phenomena. Three phenomena are involved. In the formation of rainbow. What are those? What are those? First one is refraction. And the second one is dispersion. And the third one will be internal reflection. So these are the three phenomena involved in formation of a rainbow. Thank you. We'll meet in the next video very soon.